This is a Dell Inspiron 15 model. This laptop has come to me for repair. See the problem? We connect DC power supply, we on DC power supply. After on, it's taken 0.013 amp. When we power switch, it's on and off. It's taken when on, it's taken 23 and to approximately 0.28 and off. Let's open and check what is the issue. Inspiron 15 laptop Vega storage is repaired now. There is a issue in win section and charging section. We solve this issue. Now we connect DC power supply. We on DC power supply. After on, we have to switch this board. We power switch this laptop. Here is the switch. After power switch taken 450 amp. This board is on now. Now waiting for display. First time on is two time on and off. 300, 340, 345. Need some changes and displays. 341, 352. Now this is time to display come now. We are also programmed the BIOS of this laptop. Due to programming of BIOS, late display issue. No, the display is coming. Okay. Now this laptop is ready. Thank you.